Harry called us one hot summer day. His lawn was burning up, and his money too. His sprinkler system had failed. He had lost his Barefoot lawn. We were able to quickly surmise his problem. It was a classic flooding and starvation problem. Fatal installation mistakes were stealing Harry's money. Harry had discovered not all systems are installed or maintained properly. He also learned that things don't always go the way you plan. Do you have Harry syndrome? Is there no Barefoot lawn in sight? Like Harry, you're operating your sprinkler system by the book, right? In fact, under the exact instructions of your installer, correct? Yet, your neighbor has a Barefoot lawn and yours is falling short, way short, right? Even though he has the same system as you and waters at the same time, you're getting two very different results. What you're realizing is there's a lot more to a sprinkler system than meets the eye, and it's harder than it looks to do things the right way. We've spent over 30 plus years in the irrigation profession, and we've helped dozens and dozens of homeowners with Harry syndrome and have provided every one of them with the barefoot tickle your toes lawn of their dreams. We are Doug's Professional Landscaping, and we install, maintain, and repair sprinkler systems. We'd be happy to help you regain control of your sprinkler system and get you the barefoot lawn of your dreams. Simply click the Learn More button on this video to claim your copy of the 5 Big Problems PDF. It's free at no obligation to you. So go ahead and click the button, and we'll see you on the other side.